Okay, next example, pause and copy. Okie dokie, so what am I doing here? What am I doing? I mean, lots of pathways you could follow here. I opt to go with a switch to cotangent and cosecant. Okay, these two go together the same way that sine and cos went together up above, and also secant and tan went together up above. I'm going to let you work that out for yourself later on. Let's talk about my choice here. Cosecant. Why would I do a thing like that? Well, what do I know? I know that du dx is minus cosecant x cotangent x. So this cotangent is going to kill one of these guys, giving me an even power of cotangent, which is music to my ears. So that's my motivation for this choice here. Always a motivation. So I work things out. Plug it in. As promised, you get the even power of cotangent on top. This cosecant is also a u. And I put the negative out front just to clean things up. But the main thing is the even power of cotangent, which can be converted into a cosecant. Thus, it can be converted into a u. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. So there we go. I give the details on the cotangent conversion there. So I'm using this trig identity, which, to be honest, I often forget. What do? I have to derive it, actually, a lot of the time. It's an alternative to memorizing, is just being able to derive things in quick enough fashion. I wouldn't recommend that. I recommend just memorizing. So blah, blah, blah. What do? Okay, don't forget to expand. Perform all divisions. Integrate term by term. And have fun, just have fun. Okay, my last step, I do some things here. Okay, u. Maybe pause and copy before I start blathering. U is cosecant, right? So if you have u to the negative 2, well, that's actually sine, right? Because what do you have here? You get sine x is equal to 1 over cosecant x. So I'm making use of that here and here. I'm also cleaning up this term. You would expect a ln cosecant there, but for some reason I've decided to turn it into a ln sine x. I don't know, the book does this kind of thing, so you should be aware of it. And perhaps the negative in front here is distasteful to some people. So in this form, it's removed. Okay, so a couple of nice exercises for you to try. I want you to think about integrals of this form. Okay, have a look at the boxes on 495 and 496. Try to decide what a good strategy would be for some things of this form. Exercise B is completely unrelated to exercise A. What you'll be doing is, first of all, saying that this is sine to the 4x is sine squared x squared. Then you'll use this formula. So you'll have this guy squared. Now, when you work out this awful thing, you will have a cos squared 2x appearing somewhere. And to deal with that, you're going to have to use this formula. So, not fun, but it builds character and is well worth your time. Let me put those things back.